Yeah. Let's get these guys out the way. Hold on. I got it.
So, to all of the beautiful lady Rose-breasted Grosbeaks. Yeah, Grosbeaks. This song's for you.
That's not.
Yeah, my bad. Oh yeah.
Yes, that's.
And this reminds me, ladies.
Affiliated woodpecker.
Don't pay attention to what they say.
Pay attention to what?
The bigger the bird, the bigger the beak. It's not always true.
I'm telling you, man. No one says that.
And I'm telling you, they do. And many more will. Just give it some time. Mr. Rosé.
No, we are not singing.
So ladies, if you're ever wondering if there's a beak out there that's gross, extra waxy, just for you.
You being a matchmaker?
Don't lose hope, because you never know. One day, he could be spreading his wings and hopping on a branch near you.
This is so embarrassing for me. I'm sorry.
Hey, there's nothing embarrassing about helping a stranger.
Are you done?
A waxy beak, plenty cream.
I can't believe I let you do that.
You have to admit, this is a vibe.
Please stop. Please.
It's Mr. Rosé. Come on, y'all. It's Mr. Rosé. So fresh and so clean. It's Mr. Rosé. A waxy beak, plenty cream.
Until next time,
Mr. Rosé.
peace out.